In this full chapter, we will do few exercise on sketch together. You will find few picture inside this exercise file. Then inside this 10, there are total 6 JPEG file. I will work with E01 first. This is that image file. Inside this there is one very simple sketch here. We will create this sketch together. But before you start to watch this video, try by yourself, then watch this video. First you have to look at the sketch shape. If this sketch shape is symmetry, then you have to put center of this sketch at the origin point. And if this is not symmetry, then it does not matter where you are attaching that origin with this sketch. So first I will create these two lines here, and this is not symmetry type sketch, this is asymmetry type sketch. So I will take a line and I will start from this point. Always you have to start from origin because this is 3D space. All of your sketch entities will float inside this 3D space. You have to lock down, so you need at least first reference. So this point will be my first reference. I will select this point. Now I will create my second line and I will go to inside this sketch again. I will make this few line all together. Sketch is done. Now I have to put few geometric relation, also few dimension to fully define this sketch. This two line already black because if I select it, you will see it has one coincidence and it has one horizontal geometric relation automatically added. So if I try to move my line, I cannot move it. I can move this point. So here this is 100, this is 60, this is 50, 40. So let's put all dimension here. Here this is 50. I can select line or 2 point. So far I added 4 dimension. Now I have to lock this, and here we can see everything is black. Only this line is not black, as well as this point. So if I move it, I can move this point as well as I can move this line. So I can put dimension for this line, or I can put this angle, because if I move it, I can see this angle is changing as well as this line is changing. So if I go here, we will see 135 degree. So I will put that dimension 135. Now all sketch entities are black. That means this is fully defined. It is not showing any geometric relations because if I go to this drop down menu, this is unchecked. So I'll check it. Now we can see all geometric relation here. One thing you have to keep in mind, for any asymmetry type sketch shape, this origin you can put anywhere. So this is here, I will select it and delete it. Maybe you can put this point with this. That is also okay. You can add any point from this sketch with this origin.